Welcome to Ganesh Tech. On this channel, we dive into the latest tech gadgets, reviews, and updates to keep you informed and ahead of the curve. Today, we're discussing the Realme P3 Pro, a powerful mid-range smartphone packed with features like a stunning AMOLED display, 5G connectivity, and impressive performance. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just looking for your next phone, join me as we break down everything you need to know about the Realme P3 Pro. Don't forget to share, and subscribe for more tech insights. Rock it! The Realme P3 Pro is a mid-range smartphone that offers a balanced performance and features at an affordable price. It typically includes a high refresh rate AMOLED display, a capable processor, such as a Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 chipset, and a versatile camera setup. The device also supports fast charging, ensuring quick battery top-ups. With a sleek design and 5G connectivity, the Realme P3 Pro is aimed at users seeking a modern smartphone experience without breaking the bank. Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 3, CPU4M process, octa-core, up to 2.5 GHz. Memory and storage, up to 12 GB plus 256 GB large storage display. Size, 17.35 centimeters. Main screen material, OLED. Screen ratio, 93.8%. Resolution, 2800 by 1272 1.5K, 80W SuperVOOC charge, 6,000 mAh, TYP, massive battery, 5,860 mAh, min, battery capacity 50MP Sony IMX896 OIS camera backend support, 1080p at 60fps/30fps, 720p at 60fps/30fps, 4K at 30fps 16MP selfie cameras/OIS video. Default 1080p at 30fps with retouch on. 720p at 30fps.